I'm going to show you what's inside an 8mm Sony camcorder tape cassette. I then need to turn it over so I can get to the screws underneath. Now there are 5 screws holding the bottom section of this tape together. Then just got to undo the 5. They're small screws but all the same, so it doesn't matter if you mix them up. Now just be careful to hold it down. You need to, after we remove the 5 screws, you then need to turn it over. Now when you turn it over, you just need to carefully pull it up, and then you'll be able to see the inners, and that's it there. So thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please click on my channel.